Hey, thanks for joining. Right, so you want to try and get these thumbnails to update. It's really simple. I'm going to show you how to do it and you're going to kick yourself.
Let's move on, cause it's time to move on.
A lot of my thumbnails on my videos here aren't actually very consistent and I want to change that. So I've been updating the thumbnails only to find that when I go back to the page, they're still the old ones. So this is what you need to do. So let's say I want to update this one here. So I'm going to go into that video, go down to edit the video, just move down to the thumbnail, and here's my existing one at the moment which I want to change. Now you can just drag and drop, or you can go to the little three dots and change it that way. I like to keep all the images and videos in a folder on my PC, so when I'm editing it I can got all the bits and pieces that I need. And all I'm going to do is just take the one that I've now made. So this is my new thumbnail. I'm just going to pop it in there. And there we go, it's updated. And by the way, the other reason that I want to change all my thumbnails is because I found that they weren't very consistent. Some of the sizes I didn't quite get right when I did the initial editing. So when you're creating a thumbnail, YouTube gives you the right dimensions to use. Make sure it is that, or just use a program. I like to use Adobe. It's a free program and you can create your thumbnail whatever way you want to. And this is the creator that I've just done for the video that I'm now updating the thumbnail for. So going back to this, I got my first one here. This is already updated. This is a road test for the Honda Civic LED lights, for example. And I want the actual install, full upgrade, to follow the same graphics. And I'm going to do that for all my videos. It'll take me some time, but it's going to look a lot better. So now that I've updated this thumbnail on the edit, I'm going to press save. And it should update within 8 to 10 seconds. But if I go back to YouTube here, even if I refresh the page, it's not showing the new thumbnail. And it will continue to sit that way until you do the following. Okay, so I'm going to use this using Google Chrome. Go to the top right hand corner, click on the three dots here, go down to settings. Then move over to security and privacy. And let's go on the first one there, clear browsing data. Click on that here. Now you've got these blue ticks which are what are active and is going to clear when you press the clear data button. If you don't want to clear all your browsing history, then you can uncheck that. Up here, time range gives you how much is going to delete. You can do everything that you've ever seen, last 4 weeks, etc. It's up to you. Let's do the last 7 days. And download history and cookies and other site data. Now that's one of the main ones. Cache image and files as well, and that's another key one there because that's where some of the old thumbnail images for YouTube may be stored. And when it goes to load your page, it's going to find the old images and put those up, which is why it looks like your thumbnail is not updating. So you press clear data, and that's it done. Now the next thing is go into your cookies and other site data, and if you move down to see all cookies and site data, click on that. Now you can go to the top here, or in fact you can see that there's 2 at the bottom, but let's go to the top and let's search for the particular type of web page, and I'm going to go to YouTube obviously, and there they are. Go ahead and remove that information. There's 11 cookies in that one, and go ahead and remove that too. Now go back to your page, and if you refresh it, hopefully you should find that your thumbnails have updated. Now if they haven't, don't worry too much. Go back to your YouTube studio, go down to your content tab on the left hand side here, and what I found is so long as your little thumbnail the new one that you want is showing on this page here, then it is stored in YouTube somewhere on their servers. If you still got the old image, then you haven't updated the thumbnail correctly. So go back, follow the process, and make sure you update it, and then make sure you click the save button, obviously. The only thing you need to do really is just give it a little bit of time, because I found that when I've done things, depends on the time of day, the information isn't always reflected on your regular YouTube page. So just let YouTube upload those thumbnails, whatever it needs to do, back on its server, and you should find if you come back in an hour or so, or actually sometimes just leave it overnight, when you come back you'll find that all your correct new thumbnails loaded on your page. So I really hope that helps. Again, massive thank you to the people that have done the old thumbs up For me, the reason I ask for a like is so that I know if these videos are actually being helpful, and it's a reflection so to allow me to do more. And of course, if you want to subscribe, great. If you don't want to subscribe, doesn't matter. You can always subscribe and then unsubscribe if you don't want to follow me, but I appreciate the ones that stay. Till next time, thanks very much.
Let's move on, cause it's time to move on.